the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. Both of these are transmissions of the Mahayana attitude. Our reward is a spontaneously realized jewel. It is a primordial and great spontaneous realization. It is everything. It is not anything at all. It may be anything at all. Cut through your ideas. Regarding this reward that is self-originating and spontaneously realized, it comes to us during times that are harmonious for everyone. The origin of all things is spontaneously realized without our seeking it. Natural awareness is inconceivable in the wisdom that has no position or side. We infer an awareness than which there is no other. In the perfect transmission of directly perceived awareness, we abide by the power of an equality that is beyond names. It is like the fruit that ripens on the trees. It is not intentionally created. It is realized by the force. It is just like the light of the sun. In the dominion of the Dharma, which is our own non-dual awareness, Buddhas and sentient beings are not a duality. We are empty of all the conventionalities of cause and result. Both our mindfulness and our holding on to real things are completely pure. We are not born. We do not stop. Our space is uncontrived. Without our gathering anything, we are spontaneously perfected from the primordial. There is no reward that we attain in stages. This is not uncomplicated. It is spontaneously realized. This is not our own spirit. It is a great mighty one. Still, we have all been spontaneously realized from the beginning. We are empty of any ideas that cling to duality. It is due to the specific character of an uncontrived mind that our virtues shine through as our own unsought rewards. All of us are spontaneously realized in our minds, so our hopes and those of others are totally fulfilled. As for the reward of mature self-origination, the enumeration of our quests, however many there may be, is not the clear light of wisdom. There is not anything that exists. The things we accept because we desire them, and those that are spontaneously realized, are differentiated by our own understanding.